Alright, here we have Propeller India Pale Ale. Now this should be interesting because the only other prominent India Pale Ale in the Maritimes is Alexander Keith's, and is actually not an India Pale Ale, even though they say it is. So let's take a look at this one. The nice big fucking bottles that Propeller provides their beer in. Okay, so 6.5%. Now, if you're not quite sure what an India Pale Ale is, if you've never had one before, it's essentially a style of drink that was invented by the British to preserve beer so they could ship it across long voyages in sea to India to disgruntled British troops who had to sit there and, you know, eat curry all day. Oh, the poor Boer guys. Anyway, let's pour this out. A little bit of a bubbly head there. Sort of a light gold color, bordering on orange, sort of amberish. Okay, take a smell. Very grassy kind of hop smell to it. Very, yeah, very grassy. Sweet kind of grassy smell. Little hints of citrus in there. Very nice. Definitely unique. It's not something most people would be used to smelling when they smell a beer. Very sweet. Okay, let's give her a taste here. Bit of alcohol in there. That's to be expected. True India Pale Ales are usually higher in alcohol. This is 6.5, so that's about the norm for an actual India Pale Ale. Around there. Nice and bitter. Crisp and bitter. It's another thing you expect from an India Pale Ale. Kind of bitter and crisp. There's definitely some more grassiness and fruitiness that you get from the aroma in there. Definitely caramel too, kind of a roasted caramel. But the overlying thing is the bitterness. You can really taste it in the aftertaste. But it's a very nice bitterness. If you like bitter beers, you'd probably enjoy this quite a bit. Propeller India Pale Ale. This definitely tastes like a real India Pale Ale, which is nice. I'd give this about a 3.5 out of 5, actually. Propeller's never let me down. Every beer of theirs I've had has always been good or great. And this is pretty damn good. So, Propeller India Pale Ale, if you're in Nova Scotia or wherever else it's sold, probably other places in Canada, you should probably check it out. It's a very decent, drinkable, bitter India Pale Ale. I give it 3.5 out of 5. Enjoy.